Toyota at the 2025 Auto Salon here, Tokyo Auto Salon, revealed a cool mid-engine GR Yaris that seems more like a hint of a new MR2 than it does hint at any kind of GR Yaris thing. I don't think they're going to build a mid-engine GR Yaris for production or anything. I think this is just a test bed for this new engine. So there's instead of usually they have the 3-cylinder turbo G16E motor that you get in the GR Yaris and also the GR Corolla, of course. That's been thrown out, and now there's a new 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo motor called the G20E, and it is installed in that mid-engine position. There's no specs for this motor yet, since Toyota is saying it's currently an underdeveloped powertrain, but it's fairly certain that it'll do more than the 300 horsepower, I'm sure, than the current GR Corolla. So, I mean, we'll see how much higher they go. They could play it two different ways. They could, take the opportunity with the extra cylinder to really boost power like crazy, or if they want to have a less stressed GR motor, then they could, just maybe have a modest increase over the 300 horsepower of the regular 3-cylinder and can, tune this one a little more conservatively. We'll have to see how that all plays out. But to refine this powertrain, though, they're going to be racing this car in the Super Taikyu Racing Series, where they say it'll be repeatedly driven to failure and then repaired in the extreme conditions of racing. And so, I mean, that's great news. We're getting a new GR power plant here that's 4 cylinders, bigger displacement, and will hopefully be an awesome motor. I mean, I already love, the 3-cylinder we get in the Corolla and the Yaris, and more power, and this sign that there is more gas powered awesome GR stuff coming here in the future. And 4-cylinder too, so we're not going crazy with big engines or anything. Hopefully this will mean it'll be an affordable vehicle that this is wrapped around, or relatively affordable. And just really excited to see it. Was, again, not expecting any kind of new GR motor from Toyota debuted here, and so it's great to see that. Really nice surprise, and can't wait to see what vehicles that ends up in.